Welcome back. I'm going to show you how we could take food requests from your website, and this means that people don't have to download the task app to create a food request. They can do it from any point that you decide. I'm going to use your website as an example, and we're going to create a web form, and as we did before, we're going to create a delivery in our outreach project. So here we have the web form. We're going to gather food requests. We're not going to bother to verify it. We're going to send them straight through to the outreach project, ready for our delivery team. In this case, I'm going to use a postcode to categorize the deliveries, so we could have our delivery team taking responsibility for a particular postcode area. To demo this, I'm going to use Google Forms, and I'm going to connect Google Forms to Zapier, and I'm going to send the completed request through to our task outreach project. So here's a form that I've set up. We've got name, phone number, delivery address, postcode, the number of people requiring food, and non-food requests. So as before, I'm going to make a Zap. For the trigger, I need Google Forms. And I'm going to choose a new response in Spreadsheet. Click Continue. This Google form, I've used a standard setting to tell the Google form to store the data in a Google spreadsheet. So I'll choose it here. There it is, food request demo. Worksheet. Just pick the first sheet, click Continue, and then now let's complete a response. Okay, I've added a bit of test data. Names, phone number, delivery address, postcode, number of people requiring food, and some extra non-food requests. Submit that. That's been recorded. Retest here. And they found our response. As before, we're going to now use the task app. We're going to create a task, continue, use our same account. Again, the delivery queue is in the food bank outreach. Okay, I'll fill this out to save us time. Task title, deliver to, the name of the people, and the delivery address, same as we did before. Task details also pretty similar to what we did before, except this time we don't have a requester because it's coming straight in from the website. Feedback actions, I've copied and pasted in exactly the same feedback actions we made in the last video. 10 points, again, we're paying to our delivery team. Everything else is the same. Let this task be processed one time only. And here is something different to the previous video. Here the category, we're going to make the category, instead of the category being deliveries, we'll use the postcode. That means we could then group deliveries by area using this technique. And then the metadata, as before, I've added quite a lot of information that we can send out because it'll be really useful for our reporting. Click Continue. Test and review. Back inside Julie's account, click Food Bank Outreach, and we can see in category now we've got N19. Let me show you a quick trick that you may find useful. I'm going to edit the project. Go to Advanced Options, and category label I will change to deliveries. Save that. Now when I go back into the task, you see that the category is called deliveries, and I've got the postcode. When I go inside this postcode, I'll see all the deliveries for this area. As before, I can add details such as left package, complete the task. Our delivery team earn points, and the completed tasks are removed from our queue. So that's a really quick, simple way that you can gather your food requests from a web form and send them through to your delivery team and organize them by location.